Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed date and time synchronization failed on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language, click Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically, also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Date and Time. Click Internet Time, click Change Settings, click Update Now. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Time, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand System, click and expand Current Control Set. Click and expand Services, click and expand W32 Time, click Config. Open Max NEG Phase Correction, change value data to FFFF. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.